Welcome to Explore Abroad, where we turn your travel dreams into real-life journeys. Did you know that you can move abroad just by enrolling in language schools? No degree, no job offer, just your international passport, basic funds, and your willingness to learn. In this video, I'll show you how people are using English and language schools in countries like the UK, Canada, Ireland, and even Germany to legally move abroad, get a visa, and open doors to future work and residency. So stick around until the end of this video so that you can find out. First, let me tell you what language school visas are. Many countries allow foreigners to apply for student visas to attend language schools. Courses can be as short as 6 months or as long as 2 years. Some schools even help students transition to colleges or even job offers. It's like an immigration shortcut, and you get to improve your language skills while you do it. Now let me give you a list of countries that offer these routes, countries that offer this type of visa. First on the list is United Kingdom. English language course plus standard visa. You are allowed to work part-time, and you can also switch to a work or graduate visa later on. Number 2, Ireland. Long-term English language courses over 25 weeks. Also, you can work up to 20 hours a week. Visa is renewable twice, and it's a pathway to work and study visa later on. Number 3 is Canada. You can enroll in a designated learning institution, DLI language program, and this often leads to college admission. Some programs qualify you for work permits after. And the fourth one on the list is Germany. Language course visa that lasts 3 to 12 months. You can also transition to university later on. And Germany accepts language as part of your visa plan. These countries recognize language as part of integration and give you a legal pathway to residency or even citizenship. And the documents required to apply for this type of visas are: 1. Acceptance letter from the language school, proof of funds to support yourself, valid passport and visa application. Some may need health insurance or even biometrics, but you don't need IELTS for most language programs because you are going there to learn English. Now let me give you a breakdown of the cost of this particular program in each of the country. In the UK, it costs around 1,000 to 2,000 pounds per 3 months term. In Ireland, it costs around 3,000 to 4,000 euro for 6 to 8 months, and in Canada, it costs around 5,000 to 8,000 Canadian dollar depending on the school. And Germany, it costs around 800 to 1,200 euro per course. It is way cheaper than even university and gives you a student visa too. Now let's talk about what happens after the course. What happens after you round up this course? After the course, you can apply for a higher studies, and some countries allow for visa extension, so you can extend your visa. You may also become eligible for job search and work visas. It also boosts or builds your immigration history. Starting with a language visa is like testing the water before you go all in. And here are some basic tips and warnings. 1. Don't overstay your visa. Secondly, choose a licensed school. This is very important. Be honest also in your application because embassies do checks. Use this method as a first step and not the final plan. Which country would you want to study a language in? Is it UK, Canada, Ireland, or Germany? Drop your choice in the comment section below, and I will reply with schools and visa tips. Thanks for watching Explore Abroad, your trusted guide to visa success and global travel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned. Visa tips, travel hacks, no stress.